In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up to the AliExpress affiliate program so you can promote products on AliExpress and then start making money. So I'm going to do this live on camera and show you exactly what you need to do step by step. So step number one is to go to aliexpress.com, and then once you're on the AliExpress page, scroll all the way down to the bottom and go to their affiliate program. It should be under Collaborate with Us, then click on affiliate program. Now once you've done that, it will take you to this window here, where we can now learn more about the affiliate program, so we can promote and earn and grow with the AliExpress affiliate program, earn commissions from orders you bring to AliExpress. You can see we get up to 90% commission, and if you scroll down you can read more about their affiliate program, but for us we're just going to click here where it says start earning, and we can then sign up. So if you have an account on AliExpress already, you can go ahead and sign in. If you don't, click register. Choose your location, add your email address and password, and create a new account. So once you've signed in or you've made a new account, you should be then taken to this page here. So I've signed in with an account I already own. I'm just going to verify my email. So we need to send a verification code. So click send here, and then AliExpress will send you an email verification code, which you can just put here. So this is what the email will look like. It'll obviously just have a code. So just go ahead and enter that. So 049710. 049710. So type that in. Now you don't actually have to put a contact phone number in, because you can see it hasn't got a star next to it. They want some social media information as well, but again you don't actually have to put this. But I might put my Facebook here, so I'll put Facebook, and then I'll go ahead and get the ID. So I'll just log into my burner Facebook account. I'll then go to my profile, and here you can see this is the ID here, so we'll copy this. Now we'll go back to AliExpress and we'll paste in this ID. So how did you hear about us? Probably from an online search, although you can choose any of these others. Do you want to subscribe to the newsletter? I'm going to put not subscribe. Confirm to the terms and conditions, and then click next step. So now you need to go ahead and give them some promotional data. So are you a network or a non-network? Probably going to be a non-network. You're probably going to be an individual. Now for me, I own a YouTube channel, which falls under social media, but maybe you have a blog, maybe you have a Twitter, maybe you have Pinterest, whatever it may be. Just go ahead and make sure you get the closest match here with these options. So now I'm going to choose influencers, and I'm going to then check YouTube. Now it's going to ask for my site name. My channel is called KnowledgeBase, and you can enter whatever you want here. Now obviously you're going to need something. You can use any social medias, to be honest. Just make sure it's got some content on it. I'm going to use my YouTube channel, so I'll just copy this link here. Then we'll go to AliExpress and I'll paste in the link in the site URL box. Now preferred category. Now this is going to be the preferred category that you want to promote to your audience. So I'm going to choose like electronics and office supplies. So that would fit quite nicely with my audience. Traffic distribution area. This is going to be your main traffic source. For me, it's the US. So I'm just going to find the US here. And then here it says description. Now you don't have to add anything in the description, but I'm just going to put, I will create tutorial and how-to videos about products on AliExpress and rank them in the YouTube search results. Okay, so go ahead and click on submit. You can just ignore that error message. It's now going to say that it's successfully been submit, and it's now creating your affiliate account. So now you can see your registration is under review, and it will take between 1 and 3 working days. You'll then get an email sent to your email address, and then you will have your account approved. So that's how you can apply for the affiliate program. I hope that video helped you out.